Wow. Wow. This turned out fantastic, Fernando.
I don't like it. I don't like the colors.
Perhaps you should have mentioned that before they finished the room, Fernando?
Perhaps, Edward, if you would let me speak up, rather than making all the decisions, this wouldn't be happening.
Okay, you're placing blame on me right now? Dr. Hansen has said numerous times, do not place blame on me because it causes stress and turmoil.
Dr. Hansen also said that you're controlling. And you make all the decisions without my consent.
I cannot believe that you are throwing that in my face. You said brown and green were just fine.
I did not. I said blue. Maybe if you listen once in a while.
I listen.
No.
Yes.
No.
Oh, yes, I do. Just last week, you said your favorite color was green.
Blue! I said it was blue! Open your ears and stop being so self-involved!
Stop yelling at me. You know what it does to my anxieties.
I hate this bed frame. I hate this bedspread. And I hate these pillows. And I hate your shirt.
So rude.